Personally, I confirm my belief in cellulose insulation when my wife and I had fiberglass insulation replaced with cellulose insulation in the attic of our 200-year-old farmhouse. With no heat on the second floor, we had been overheated downstairs and freezing upstairs. Now, with 14 inches of cellulose at R50 in the attic, there is only a degree or two of difference in temperature between the floors, and our heating bill was cut in half. My wife and I are not alone. Architects and builders recognize that cellulose insulation outperforms fiberglass. Cellulose insulation has grown to a $400 million industry and is now the fastest growing type of insulation and provides the cheapest way to make a home green. But the industry has a major problem. Feedstocks are shrinking and becoming contaminated with plastic. As a boy, I used to deliver newspapers. Newspapers are the feedstock for the current cellulose industry. But now newspapers are almost ancient history. Hard copy is being replaced by the internet more and more, and the free market is flooding the world with cardboard. Even careful recycling has become a thing of the past. The result is a mixture of paper and plastic in the single stream. Plastic clogs up installers' blowing machines more and more. We have the answer. Abundant, recycled, corrugated cardboard can solve the supply problem. UltraCell insulation has the only patented process for converting recycled cardboard into cellulose insulation at the time that the newsprint supplies are running out. This is not rocket science. Rather, the key is the change in method from a dry process to a wet process with our proven chemistry. The production process is as simple as blending and drying. We have already produced hundreds of pounds of UltraCell insulation at the Process Development Center at the University of Maine using small-scale production equipment. Our team already has strong relationships with manufacturers, installers, and distributors, permitting a capital-efficient launch without building our own facility. We are working with Fiber America to pilot and then produce commercial volumes of UltraCell insulation. Longer term, we are in discussions with the nation's largest insulation distributor who could have a strategic interest in acquiring us once we are at full-scale production. What we need now are the funds to conduct our pilot production, which will pave the way for opening shuttered mills all over this country and Canada. UltraCell offers potential dramatic returns. Our goal for the next 2 years is simply to scale up our proven process to commercial production, demonstrating the market acceptance. At this point, we expect to be widely recognized as the solution to the big problem of $600 million supply gap by the year 2020. Our technology provides for a healthy ROI. We are solidly protected by our patent, giving us cost and performance advantages. Cellulose provides compelling benefits to the environment. Cellulose makes ENERGY-STAR performance affordable. It takes less energy to manufacture than fiberglass by a factor of 10, less energy to manufacture than petroleum-based foam by a factor of 64. Cellulose is the low-hanging fruit towards solving America's energy demands. The cellulose industry has the market if it can ramp up. And we have the patented process to ramp it up for a fast-growing market. UltraCell has a win-win solution for investors and the world. And by the way, we're looking for more great people to join us. We thank TechOut for this great opportunity.